The guitar pickup. It is one of the 20th century's most heard inventions next to the microphone, and it forever changed the way music is made. Consisting of very few parts, and based upon a simple principle of induction, the guitar pickup is able to take the plain vibrations of a guitar string and turn them into an electric signal, which can then be amplified and sent to a loudspeaker. There have been many different types and variations of the pickup since it was invented in the early 1900s. Today, there are a few dominant types. These include a humbucker, a single coil, and piezos. In addition, there are one-off and experimental pickups, but the ones mentioned all use Faraday's law of induction to produce sound, and they all share the same three basic components. Magnets, a coil of wire, and pole pieces. The magnet is made of either an Alnico or ceramic material. The strength of a pickup magnet is determined by the type of magnet used and its specific properties. Alnico magnets, composed of aluminum, nickel, and cobalt, come in different grades, such as Alnico 2, 5, and 8, with varying magnetic strengths and tonal characteristics. Ceramic magnets, made of iron oxide and strontium carbonate, generally offer a stronger magnetic field than Alnico magnets. The strength of the magnet impacts the pickup's output and the frequencies it captures, thus influencing the overall tone. The gauge of the coil wire typically ranges from 42 AWG to 44 AWG. The different gauges affect the tone of the pickups and which frequencies get accentuated. Thinner wires can lead to brighter tones with higher outputs, with thicker wires having a good balance of clarity and output. As well, the number of windings around the pickup bobbin influence the response of the overall pickup. Pole pieces are usually made of steel. They are the small rods or screws that extend from the pickup and interact with the vibrating strings, influencing the magnetic field and thus the sound produced. These metal rods help focus the magnetic field under each string. There are some additional pieces as well, such as the base plate and the pickup bobbin, but they are structural elements and used for the physical construction and mounting of the pickup to the guitar body. All electric guitars and many acoustics have metal strings. This is essential in creating the electric signal produced by the guitar. First, the magnet inside the pickup creates a magnetic field around the strings, which are made of a ferromagnetic material like steel or nickel. When the strings vibrate, it disturbs the magnetic field around it. This disturbance causes a change in the magnetic flux through the coil. The coil converts mechanical motion into an electrical signal. According to Faraday's law, this mechanical motion induces a small alternating current voltage in the coil. This fluctuating current is the electrical signal that represents the sound of the vibrating string. The resulting electrical signal travels through the guitar's wiring to the output jack, and then to a preamp. And that is what gives us the sound of guitars. Give or take a few circuits of overdrive, distortion, delay, reverb, chorus, and so on and so forth. In a future video, I will go over the basic wiring of a guitar and how the signal gets from the pickup to the output jack.